Dr. Stephen Stanley is a paleontologist and research professor at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. He was just recently selected as Top Research Professor of the Year for 2019 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the industry. With over 4 decades of professional experience as a seasoned and trusted American paleontologist and evolutionary biologist, Dr. Stanley has certainly proven himself as an accomplished professional and expert in the field. He has demonstrated success not only as a research professor for the University of Hawaii, but has also demonstrated success in all past positions he has ever held. He is best known for his empirical research documenting the evolutionary process of punctuated equilibrium in the fossil record. His impressive repertoire of prior roles have included Professor for Johns Hopkins University, Chairman for the Department of Earth and Planetary Sciences for Johns Hopkins University, and MS Program in Environmental Sciences and Policy for Johns Hopkins University. Stanley's research on the shell shapes of bivalve mollusks is the largest body of work ever produced by a single worker on the functional skeletal morphology of a single class of animals. His research on the ways in which changes in seawater chemistry have influenced what forms of life have been major reef builders and producers of lime sediment during the past half-billion years established an important new area of research. He also introduced a new mathematical technique for assessing how many species died out during mass extinctions, and showed that the biggest one, at the end of the Permian, did not eliminate 95% of marine species, but only about 80%. In other words, life did not nearly die out at this time as previously believed. Dr. Stanley graduated summa cum laude from Princeton University in 1963 with an AB and earned his PhD from Yale University in 1968. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Stanley has been active in his community and recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the science industry. He has received many awards, accolades, and has been featured in numerous publications multiple years in a row, such as Who's Who in America, Who's Who in Science and Engineering, Who's Who in the East, Who's Who in the West, and Who's Who in the World. For 2019, Dr. Stanley is being considered to be featured in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, for the Lifetime Achievement Award, and was selected as Top Research Professor of the Year by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. He was featured in the Wall Street Journal and will be displayed on a billboard in Times Square. His most important medal was in 2013. He received the Penrose Medal for Eminence in Pure Research from the Geological Society of America. In 2008, Dr. Stanley was the recipient for the Twenhoffel Medal by the Society for Sedimentary Geology. In 2007, he received a medal from the Paleontological Society, which is awarded to a person whose eminence is based on advancement of knowledge in paleontology. In 2006, he received the Mary Clark Thompson Medal from the National Academy of Sciences. In 2004, he received the James H. Shea Award by the National Association of Geoscience Teachers. In 1997, he received the Baunacker Medal from Ohio State University, and in 1986, he received the Outstanding Technology Paper Award by the Washington Geological Society. In 1977, Dr. Stanley received the Charles Schuchert Award for the Paleontological Society, and in 1973, the Alan C. Davis Medal given by Maryland Academy of Sciences. Dr. Stanley is a past president of the American Geosciences Institute, former counselor for the Geological Society of America, former executive committee for the American Geoscience Institute, and former president at the Paleontological Society. Aside from his successful career as a professor, Dr. Stanley is also a sought-after lecturer, published author, contributor to hundreds of book chapters, articles, and professional journals, and has sat on numerous boards. He currently is an editorial board member of Paleobiology, editorial board member of the American Journal of Science, member of the Commission of Geoscience, Environment, and Resources, and former vice chairman for the Board of Earth Sciences for the National Research Council. Dr. Stanley is the co-authored Earth Systems History, Children of the Ice Age, How a Global Catastrophe Allowed Humans to Evolve, Exploring Earth and Life Through Time, Extinction, just to name a few. Looking back, Dr. Stanley attributes his success to his experience, education, mentors he has had along the way, and staying passionate in all his endeavors. Dr. Stanley says he has been blessed. He loves doing what he is doing and feels this is just the beginning. When he is not working, Dr. Stanley enjoys writing and being an amateur landscape architect, building walks and patios and planting trees and shrubs. For the future, Dr. Stanley hopes that his scientific research and contributions will continue to make a difference with people and in the world. For more information on Dr. Stanley, please visit www.iaotp.com.